Good afternoon, everyone. The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, first Philippine-born fraternal socio-civic organization, service through Strong Brotherhood, Quezon City, Philippines. Plaque of recognition is hereby bestowed to Kuwait Sandugo Lady Eagles Group, located in state of Kuwait, and hereby bestows all rights and privileges and imposes all duties and obligations to save Eagles Club under the aegis and guidance of the Eagles Magna Carta of the Philippines Eagles. Charter Officers, President, yours truly, AJ. Vice President, Elena E. Delgado. Lady Eagle, Secretary, Aurora M. Juan. Treasurer, Lady Eagle, Delia G. Zaspa. Auditor, Lady Eagle, Olivia Canan. Protocol Officer, Lady Eagle, Rosemary Bantilan. Committee Chairwoman, Lady Eagle, Shelami T. Abelias. Care Chairwoman, Lady Eagle, Jemima Grace S. Silva. Peace Officers, Larry Lindsay Morales and Lady Eagle, Maria Pinky D. Lagican. Screening Committee Chairman, Lady Eagle, Leonora D. Senes. PRO Officer, Lady Eagle, Aniseta Lasaga. Board of Directors, Lady Eagle, Maria Alvic V. Caduada. Lady Eagle, Annalyn C. Calo. Lady Eagle, Annalisa M. Domingo.